Okay, the last triad that we'll talk about is the augmented triad, all right? And that's a 1 major third and a sharp 5. So in this case with C augmented, that's going to be C, E, G sharp. So we go to the low E and we have C, all right? Then we're going to have our G sharp on the A string and then E on the G string. Now the thing about the augmented triad is it's symmetrical, which means that this shape can be moved around for every inversion. In other words, it's the same shape on every chord tone. So we've got the root position on C, and then when we go to the third, it's the same shape. And then when we go to the sharp 5, the G sharp is the same shape. Okay, now let's move that to the middle set of strings. Okay, so we have C on the A string, and then on the D string we have G sharp, and then E on the B string. Okay, and again, we can move that shape around. It stays the same. I'm at C root position, and then the first inversion. Okay, and then the second inversion. Back to root. Okay, then we go up to the high set of strings. We've got C, same shape, C, G sharp, E. Okay, first inversion, second inversion. Whoops, I could start here with first inversion, second inversion, root position, and so forth. So yeah, the augmented's nice because of its symmetry. Now again, you know, you want to know where the intervals are. You want to know where the root is, the third, the fifth, or in this case the root, the third, and the sharp 5. And learn all your different triads, your sus2, your sus4. You know, I'm kind of limited on time in this video, but there's a lot more triads. I just mentioned some. You got the sus2, the sus4, the augmented fourth, or the Lydian triad, the flat 2, or the Phrygian triad, and other triads. You've got sevenths, no thirds, and sevenths, no fifths, and you probably heard me talk about them in some of my other videos. But you can take this concept of the spread triad and apply it to all of those. So we're going to get into some different exercises to help you gain a vocabulary of using these, you know, in your improvisation. And so let's take a look at that.